You've built discipline, you've built your body, but what if I told you that same discipline could build your income? Most people think fitness only transforms your physique, but the truth is it can transform your finances too. Today, I'm going to show you how the habits that built your body can also build a business. It's about transforming consistency, discipline, and effort into a sustainable income through fitness entrepreneurship. Because at the end of the day, fitness and business follow the same rule. It's built brick by brick. And if you want extra help staying consistent, get the free 30-day challenge ebook linked in the description. It's designed to keep you disciplined and focused while you build your foundation. Let's build. Step 1. Build the body, build the credibility. Let's start with the foundation, your body. In today's world, your results are your resume. Nobody takes advice from someone who doesn't walk the walk. That's why your transformation matters, not just physically, but mentally. The discipline you've built from showing up to the gym every day, from eating right, from pushing past the feeling of quitting, that's your proof of work. It's the same discipline you'll use to build a brand. Because before you can sell anything, people have to believe in you. But don't just think of this as a phase. The work you're putting in right now, the early mornings, the late nights, the workouts when nobody's watching, it's setting a foundation for something far bigger. One day, this discipline can become your full-time living. The lessons you learn under the bar will teach you how to lead, how to serve, and how to create impact. You're not just shaping your body. You're shaping a message that could change lives. Every rep, every meal, every act of consistency is training you to build something that not only supports you, but inspires others to do the same. Step 2. Build attention. To bridge from building credibility, remember that once you've proven yourself through discipline, the next logical step is to let people see it. Next, you need attention. You can't sell what no one knows about. That doesn't mean you need 1 million followers. It means you need people who trust you. Start documenting your journey. Post your workouts, your progress, your meals, your thoughts. Don't lecture. Don't try to be perfect. Just show up. Be real. Over time, people will start asking questions. What plan are you following? What do you eat? What's your routine? That's your signal. That's the demand. When people start asking how, you start building what. Let me give you a quick story. I got a buddy who started off as a skinny kid, barely benching a plate, eating whatever he could afford. For about 2 years straight, he worked out consistently, ate clean almost every day, and stayed laser focused. Eventually, he put on a serious amount of muscle, enough that people started noticing. They'd ask him what he eats, how he trains, and what supplements he takes. So he started posting videos of his workouts and tips on Instagram. They blew up. Today, he runs his entire business from that attention. He sells his workout plans, meal guides, and one-on-one coaching directly through his Shopify store. And here's the crazy part. It didn't cost him anything but time, discipline, and a grocery bill. Now, he's getting flown out by major fitness brands for collaborations and sponsorships. That's multiple streams of income built from fitness. And it all started from attention. So let's go deeper on attention. Attention is everything. It's the new currency. When people watch you, listen to you, or follow you, they're giving you their most valuable resource, time. And whoever controls attention controls opportunity. When you have attention, you can sell almost anything, as long as it's valuable. Whether it's a fitness program, a meal plan, or a message that inspires, attention gives you leverage. Think about it. Every brand, every company, every influencer is fighting for one thing: your attention. Because attention creates trust, and trust creates income. That's why even platforms like YouTube pay creators and run ads. YouTube itself is free for you, but advertisers are paying for the attention of the audience. They're buying time in front of people's eyes. And the same thing happens in fitness. When you build a community, brands notice. They'll pay you to promote their products, sponsor your content, or collaborate on offers, all because of the audience you've built. So, start treating your attention like a business. Every post, every story, every piece of content you put out is an investment. The stronger your audience's trust, the more freedom you'll have to build and sell whatever you believe in. Step 3, create an offer. Before you ever open your store, think about what you want to offer. Your offer is more than just a product. It's a solution. What specific problem are you solving for your audience? What have people been asking you about over and over again? Maybe they want to know how to get abs while working a 9-to-5, how to build muscle on a budget, or how to finally stay consistent. That's your starting point. Tailor your offer to your audience's needs and your strengths. If you're great at nutrition, build a meal plan guide. If you're known for training splits, make a workout blueprint. If your strength is mindset, sell an eBook about discipline. People don't just buy information. They buy clarity, structure, and results. The clearer your offer solves their pain, the faster they'll trust it. Here are some ideas on what you can actually sell. Before choosing, spend a little time validating demand. See what questions your followers ask most. Check what content gets the most engagement. And study similar creators to identify what's missing. That way, you're not guessing. You're creating offers people already want. Workout programs, your exact split, your blueprint. Meal plans or macro guides. Teach people how you eat to stay clean. eBooks on discipline, fat loss, training, or mindset. Coaching or consultation calls. Even a few clients a month can become a full-time income. Merch or apparel. Design clothes that represents your message and serve as a daily reminder for people to stay locked in. You don't need a massive following to make money. You just need something real to offer and a system that works while you sleep. Once you know what you're selling, that's where Shopify comes in. Step 4, build the system. Many people overcomplicate this stage, thinking they need coding skills or a big budget. In reality, Shopify handles all the heavy lifting. Checkout, payments, and product delivery so you can focus on your vision. It's your tool for turning an idea into a real business. You don't need to be a coder or a tech person. Shopify gives you the structure to bring your idea to life. You can create a website to host digital products, physical goods, or even coaching sessions. You can brand your page, write a powerful story, and connect directly with your customers. And right now, I have a discount for you guys from Shopify, offering a deal where you can get started for only $1 for your first 3 months. I'll leave that link to sign up in the video description and comment section. That means you can start building your store and refining your offer without pressure or risk. Even if you don't have an audience yet, I recommend signing up now, learning the tools, and setting up your foundation while you grow your audience. Because when the time comes to launch, you'll already be miles ahead. Every sale becomes a brick in your foundation. Click the link in this video's description to get the discount. Step 5, build the brand. When you're consistent, people notice. Over time, your story becomes your brand. Maybe your message is about resilience. Maybe it's about starting over. Maybe it's about discipline. Whatever it is, your business becomes proof of that message. You don't have to be an influencer. You just have to be authentic. The same habits that built your body can build your freedom. Most people stop at building muscle, but the real journey goes beyond that. Discipline builds attention. Attention fuels your offer, and your offer becomes your brand. Each phase supports the next, creating a full cycle of growth that turns consistency into opportunity. But discipline is the real muscle, the one that builds both your life and your income. It's what takes you from surviving to thriving, from training for yourself to inspiring others. The same consistency that changes your body can change your bank account and the lives of the people you reach. Those who go further build businesses, build freedom, build purpose, build others up. So if you're ready to turn discipline into income, start your own fitness business today. Click the link in the description. Shopify is letting you try it for $1 for your first 3 months. The same mindset that built your strength will build your success. Keep pushing, keep creating, and keep growing. Because the habits you've built in the gym are the same ones that'll carry you through every life challenge. Discipline builds everything, brick by brick.